The tornado hook, kick, cartwheel combinations are awesome because you spin, you got these spinning techniques to the front, and then you shoot off to the side. It makes a really neat illusion, looks great for demonstrations. This is one of the best combinations you want to have for competitions. All right, let's do it together. We'll start on one side, we'll go through all the cartwheels, and we'll switch sides and go to the other side because this is really cool if you can get it down on both sides. Here we go, left side forward. We're going to go left tornado kick 1, touch. Right hook kick here. Now, instead of setting all the way back here, I'm going to set my hook kick here, right to the side. Use that momentum for my two-handed cartwheel over and land the position. All right, let's go a little bit faster. Here we go. Ready? Left leg's in the front. Ready? Tornado kick 1, hook kick 2, double cartwheel 3, and set. Let's go to one-handed cartwheel. Ready? And left. Tornado kick 1, hook kick, one-handed, and down. Good job. All right, let's go to jumping cartwheel. Left tornado kick, 1, right hook kick, jump up, and touch. Excellent. Now we go to skipping. Here we go. Ready? And tornado kick, up, spin hook, bring that right foot in, quick. Skip right over, and down. And let's go for the aerial if you got it. Ready? And kick, hook, aerial, and set down the position.